2 dots up, then we can start configuring our landing, right?
Well, it depends. Now see, this airspeed, at 23 inches, we're right at the airspeed we want. We're within 5 knots of our target speed. So if we put the gear down while we're in level flight, we're going to go slower, and we don't want to do that.
Sounds good.
Now, if we were 20 knots fast, then consider putting the gear down a little early.
All right. So it depends basically on the wind and the...
Well, the whole idea is to arrive at Arada at 130 knots. Which is ice penetration at VA.
Para 3500 o podría ascender para 2500 e iniciar aproximación Zulu para la pista 21 sobre los head.
Afirmativo, posterior miss approach, volamos rumbo de pista para 2500 y directo a los head.
350 Juliet, afirmativo. Posterior frustrada, proceda rumbo de pista a los head, asciende 2500 y prevé aproximación LNAV Zulu sujeto a tránsito.
Copiado, así lo haremos, posterior al miss approach, rumbo de pista, volamos Loguet, 2500 y esperamos Arnav, sujeto a tránsito. Okay, we'll clear for the miss approach too.
Okay.
Now, and then go direct, flag direct, Loguet, we're going to do that after we complete our approach. Wing, now we're engaging.
Yep.
November 350 Juliet, contactar a Guayaquil Torre 118,3, buen día.
18.3, buen día, 350 Juliet, gracias.
Before you talk, let's get VS get going down because you're inside of Arada.
Viento 06 grados 05 nudos QNH2 982 pulgadas.
Yeah, we are here, we have to go down 1,700.
Yeah, we want to be at Arada, 130 knots clean level, and then we take it from there.
Guayaquil Torre, November 350 Juliet sobre Iroda, inicia aproximación Arnav 03.
350 Juliet, buen día, viento 060 grados 05 nudos. Notifica iniciando aproximación frustrada.
Ya vanemos iniciando aproximación frustrada 350 Juliet. For minimums, 7500.
Yes, sir.
LNAV 700.
Careful reading minimums that you don't need. We have LPV. Oh, no, we don't. We have LNAV.
Yes, LNAV. Right here, we'll start descending. I would like to put 10 flaps, please. We're at 158. Or you want me to leave it? It was too fast. Now we're
no, I know. So let's leave it so that we're not getting too slow when we level off.
Okay.
So as we level off, we're going to start to slow down again. And now we're dot high and still fast, so think about gear and flaps right away, no delay. By doing it in that order, you don't miss the flaps, 20 inches on the power, and that ought to get us the 120 knots that we so desperately request, 20. That's good, good. Okay. Glide path centered.
It's arm, engaged.
Yep. Path markers right on the threshold, and we're scrolling right into that 120 we so desperately seek.
Okay. Want me to do this approach at the minimums or just keep going?
If safety allows, yes. But I have no dog in that hunt. You can miss us as soon as it's safe to do so and appropriate to do so. So fuel pump can be on, yes, should be on. Landing light with a clearance, pulse. Hots, flaps, trims, alternate air pressure, everything's complete. Yep. So we're a little bubbly today on account of the clouds, so it's jumping up and down some, but we're in the box in terms of the airspeed we seek. Beautiful downtown Guayaquil. Nice stadium over there.
That's the ugliest.
Yeah?
Yeah, my favorite's that over there, the yellow one.
Oh yeah.
That's my team.
Oh yeah, okay. What the heck with this one?
It's a salty channel. That's beautiful. Salty and fresh water.
Yeah.
Visual sobre Spol. Mantenga escucha por instrucciones.
Okay, so after this approach, we're clear to runway heading.
Yeah, so we're
2,500?
we're down to 750, yes?
Yes, sir, we are.
So how high are we?
Okay.
This is Dick Rochfort. Fly safely. Train off it.